What happens when a group of brilliant scientists become completely obsessed with video games? Well, if you are watching the Big Bang Theory, the answer is pure comedy. In today's video, we are taking a look at some of the funniest gaming moments from the series, from Sheldon losing himself in the world of Warcraft to Fanny become unexpectedly addicted to online gaming, to the never ending debate between PlayStation and Xbox. Let's jump right in. The show's unique relationship with gaming. One thing that always made the Big Bang Theory stand out was how naturally it embraced geek culture, unlike many sitcoms that simply made fun of gamers. This show, this show understood gaming communities and the personalities behind them. The characters did not just play games occasionally. Gaming was a major part of their lives, and the writers used it to reveal their strengths, weaknesses, and hilarious insecurities. Penny's gaming addiction era. Iraq. One of the funniest storylines comes when Penny starts playing an online fantasy game. At first, she is completely clueless. Does not know what she is doing, constantly asks questions, and struggles to understand even the basic mechanics. But then something unexpected happens. Some becomes completely addicted. What starts as casual entertainment quickly turns into an obsession. She ignores responsibilities, forgets about work, and spends almost all of her time living up her character. The funniest part is watching Sheldon become both her mentor and her biggest victim. She introduced her to the games only to realize later that she become impossible to escape. It's a perfect example of the humor taking a simple situation and pushing to absurd levels. Sheldon and the Sword of Azeroth wrote it there. One gaming scene fans still remember. It's the legendary Sword of Azeroth mission. The gang spent hours preparing of an epic online guest. Everyone works together, battles enemies, and finally reaches the treasure they have been chasing. Then Sheldon betrays the entire team. Instead of helping his friend, he teleports away with the legendary sword for his own benefit. The moment perfectly captures Sheldon's personality. He is brilliant, competitive, and often completely unaware of how selfish he can be. The reaction from the group make the scene even funnier. Turning what should have been a heroic victory into completely chaos. When gaming becomes too real, Another standout moment occurs when Sheldon discovered that his World of Warcraft account has been hacked. To Sheldon, this is not a minor inconvenience, it's a catastrophe. His virtual possession, rare items, gold, armor, and even his beloved battle ostrich are gone. The funniest part is that Sheldon treats the situation like a real world crime investigation. He calls the police and expects them to launch a full scale operation. Watching the officers try to explain that they don't have jurisdiction in a fantasy world creates one of the most memorable comedy scenes in the series. The contrast between Sheldon's seriousness and reality is absolutely hilarious. Howard versus Bernarde in Fortnite. Fast forward to a never generation of gaming, and we get another great storyline involving Frontier. Howard realizes he is no longer the gaming prodigy he once thought he was. He was scarcity trained, so instead of expecting defeat, he scarcity trained so he can challenging Bernarde. What makes this story work so well is their role revival style. Howard expected to dominate. Instead, Bernarde completely destroys him. The competitive tension between them creates some of the funniest interaction in the episode. It's also super single relatable. Many long-time games have experienced the moment when they realize younger player or even their own family member have become much better than they are. The great PS4 versus Xbox One of debate, one of the most relatable gaming conversation in the series, revolves around Sheldon trying to choose between the PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. Now, anyone who ever researched a gaming purchase know exactly what happens next. He becomes trapped in analysis paralysis. Every feature creates a new dilemma. One console has better memory, the other has better integration. One has a feature he likes, the other has a feature he might need. Instead of helping him decide, every new piece of information makes the decision harder. The storyline is hilarious, exaggerated. Some host games have experienced at least once spent more time researching a product than actually using it. Why these gaming episodes work so well? The reason these gaming stories remain so memorable is not just because they are funny, it's because they are relatable. Whether you have spent hours grading levels, argued about consoles, lost progress in a game, or become way too competitive with friends, there are some things here that feels familiar. The rights understood gaming culture and treated it as a genuine hobby rather than a punish sign. That's why the humor works years later. Final thoughts. The Big Bang Theory delivered some of television's funniest gaming moments by combining relatable gamer experience with unforgettable character personalities. Sheldon Ovison, Penny Addiction, Howard competitiveness, and the group endless adventures in virtual world created comedy that still resonate with gaming fans today. These episodes remind us that gaming is not just about winning or living up. Sometimes the best part is the ridiculous story, argument, and story friendship that come along with it, and that's exactly why these scenes remains fan favorites. If you are enjoying fan of comedy, these episodes are absolutely worth revising. Thank you for watching and let me know in comments. Like and subscribe this video and share his friend. Thank you.